I don't know how these film celebrities and stars do it. Yeah, I mean, here making this tiny little video, getting all one's makeup right and all takes so much time. I don't know how they make these whole feature films and all. So, really, as of yesterday, there is this movie called, Little Women, that's on Netflix, and this is a Little Women that stars Susan Sarandon, and it was released in '94. So that's like almost close to 30 years ago. But it is such a fascinating film, yeah. Little Women, that is based on Louisa May Alcott, and one learns so much through that film. I mean, like, as in, I never knew that, like, Little Women is actually set in Massachusetts, in this place called Concord in Massachusetts, and apparently, like, Louisa May Alcott's house is very much still there, and it's a museum there. It'll be so fascinating to visit that place, and you realize that human emotions stay the same, through the years, through the decades and centuries, so do try and catch it, people. It's Little Women is the name of the movie, and you can see it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.